Alright guys, this is part 3 of your Microsoft Excel certification test review, and we're just going to pick it up right where we left off. This is number 16, and it says create a new worksheet named Next Semester in this workbook. Alright, so I'm just going to click down here. Hopefully you can see. Let me scoot my screen down a little bit here so you can actually see what I'm dealing with here, and let me see if I can expand it a little bit. I don't want to take up too much recording time, but right here is a little plus sign. Click it. Alright, and then you can right click on it and say rename. And we're going to call it what? Next Semester with a capital N and a capital S. And go ahead and press enter. Alright, number 17 says add a function to I-20 in the student scores. So we're going to go back to student scores and we're going to go to I-20, which is right here. It says add a function in cell I-20 in the student scores worksheet that will display the word yes if the value in H20 is higher than 69. Otherwise, display the word no. Fill the cells in column I to show which students achieve their MOS certificate. So this is an if function under the formulas tab. Under logical, you're going to see if, and we're going to go ahead and say if this score is greater than 69, which means it's 70 or over, which is the passing score. We're going to say yes if it is, and no if it's not, and say OK, and then just double click the corner to go ahead and fill it down for every student. Alright, we're going to number 18. Add a column sparkline in cell J20. In the student scores worksheet that will represent the first student's grades in cell B20 to H20. Alright, so we're going to say insert, and you're going to see we have sparklines over here, and they want us to do a column sparkline. We're going to go ahead and select the data range and click and drag from cell B20 to H20, and go ahead and click OK. And that's our column sparkline. And it just says to represent the first student. It does not say to carry it all the way down. Add the cells E8 to E14 to the grades breakdown chart. So click on your chart and you'll notice what's already being displayed in your chart. And if you pull the handle over, you can now go ahead and display the average column. And if you ever question which one's being displayed, go ahead and click on your series. So the blue one is the average, the red one is the maximum, it looks like, and the green one is the minimum. Excuse me. Display the formulas on the student scores worksheet. Oh, it says rename it average. We didn't do that yet, sorry. For the last question, name the new series average. So we're going to right click. Oh, not there. Go away. We're going to right click and we're going to say select data. And you're going to see series 1, and you can go ahead and say edit and change the name to average and say OK, alright. Display the formulas on the student scores worksheet. So you're going to go to the formulas tab and go ahead and click off your chart, and you're going to see something that says show formulas, and go ahead and click that. On the student scores worksheet, from the existing text in cell A2, right here, insert a hyperlink to www.nodpublishers.com with a screen tip that displays company website. So we're going to say insert, and you're going to see hyperlinks over here, right here. And you're going to go to insert link. You can also just right click and go all the way down and say insert link. I'm going to go ahead and type in the web address, www.nod, is that right? Nodpublishers.com, yeah. Alright, and then here, let's see if we have to change the display. It wants to say company website. Oh no, I'm sorry, the screen tip needs to say company website. Yeah, I messed that up. So I'm going to go here to screen tip. Hopefully that fixes itself. Here, I'm going to have to start all over now. Man, okay. So Be better than me, guys. There. www. Okay, it's going to come up on its own, and then I'm going to go ahead and say screen tip. Now I can type in company website. And say OK. And then say OK. And that's it. That is part 3 of your test review. Alright.